Thinking about moving to San Anselmo in Marin County? In this video, I'm going to show you downtown San Anselmo, and you're going to learn things you didn't know. So let's get to it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're thinking about moving to San Anselmo or anywhere in Marin County in the next 10 days or the next 10 months, reach out, call me. I love to help people have a smooth, smart move. Stay tuned to the end of this video for some links on some information that I talk about in this video. Now, without further ado.
Okay, we are going to be doing this tour of San Anselmo. I'm starting out at Sir Francis Drake, and I'm going to be walking into pretty much what everybody would consider the heart of San Anselmo, and that runs along San Anselmo Avenue. So here I am crossing over the bridge, and there is some lovely water running from the San Anselmo Creek. And there is a coffee shop that is considered best of Marin, has won many awards. And now I am heading across San Anselmo Avenue. Gotta love all this brick. And there is a nice shot of this cute downtown area. And there's a nice mural on the wall. And now we are crossing over into Imagination Park. Imagination Park was built on land owned by George Lucas, who then donated this land to the town of San Anselmo. It's a unique park for the structures in it, also, of course, donated by George Lucas, who is a long-time resident of Marin County and lives in San Anselmo. There's some interesting park rules. And where's the structures I'm talking about? Here it comes. Who do you think it is? Who do you think it is? Indiana Jones, of course. Who else? As I'm sure you're aware, the movie franchises of both Star Wars and Indiana Jones were conceived of by George Lucas. So, what else would he put in this park? Who's that behind there? Yoda! Of course it's Yoda. So this park has been here since June of 2013, and it sits right on San Anselmo Avenue. You'll walk past it, go in there, and find the statues that are a little bit in the back. Couple of nice park benches with some sayings on them. And out we go, back to San Anselmo Avenue. Not that we actually left it, but right next door to Imagination Park is the San Anselmo Town Hall. It was built in 1911, and as you can see, it is a mission-style building. It also houses the San Anselmo Public Library. Okay, headed right back over to the main street. Across here, that is Ludwig's wine store. My husband goes there all the time, loves to work with Majit buying wine. And now we'll head down and see some of the other stores in San Anselmo. This is a cute little walkway in between buildings with some more stores in it. And across the street, we see the Wells Fargo building. Apparently, this building was built in 1909 and used to be a drugstore. It also was down the street from here. And in 1929, the whole building was pulled by a team of horses and put in this current location. And if you need a place to stay, consider this San Anselmo Inn right here on this fun street in San Anselmo. And for a better view of this, I went across the street so you could see the storefront. There it is, San Anselmo Inn. Now, moving on to Comforts. This is a favorite Marin place. My kids and I have been going here for decades. Well, not them for decades, but me for decades. Comforts has like the best Chinese chicken salad you've ever tasted. They also cater, but you can see it's not all they serve. They have a full menu. Additionally, they have the outdoor seating from the pandemic on the street, and again, I'm going to back up to give you a view of it from across the street. All right, moving on down the street. Shall we go that way? No, let's go this way. Oh, there is Stefanos Pizza, another favorite place. There's several of these in Marin County since 1972. And let's go this way. What's that, a dog? What? Wait, it's a dog. Is it a fake dog? No, it's a live dog, and it's sitting in a jewelry store. Okay, I guess that dog is having a great time in the sun. Hey, speaking of a great time in the sun, I'm having a great time in the sun. Okay, let's see some more shops of San Anselmo. And there we have a day spa, again, viewed from across the street. And we are headed back towards the San Anselmo Town Hall. There is the coffee place that we started at the beginning of this video. And we're headed down past the coffee place to see what's down there. Here's a new restaurant, voted best. Gelato. Gotta have gelato. Barton's Bagels, another favorite place. And the Cucina San Anselmo, another very popular restaurant. There's one in San Francisco as well. Gotta love those pandemic seating areas. What do we call them again? Parklets. Oh yeah, parklets. Here is a popular place. Where is it? It is down the street off of San Anselmo Avenue. There it is. And now we are back to another coffee roaster place. And then we are coming up on a beautiful park. And this little park here is called Creek Park. It's amazingly peaceful for where it's located. And what I mean by that is right over the corner here is a very, very busy place where about 3 streets all converge, and they're busy streets. Sir Francis Drake Boulevard, Red Hill Avenue, Center Boulevard. It used to be called the Hub back in the day when railroads crossed here. Comment below if you would like some extra information about San Anselmo. And if you're enjoying the video content, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you'll be sure to know as soon as I drop a new video, which is at least every week. Here we are, right back where we started. I hope this video was helpful.